all my viewers, welcome yet again to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back again, and thank you so much for supporting me, loving me, and pouring out all your blessings upon me. I'm really grateful to all my support, to all my power animals, my allies, my support system, my team, and of course the blessings from Almighty. Thank you so much. May you all, everyone who's connected with this channel, be blessed, and we all move forward towards a prosperous life ahead. Everybody has a certain upcomings and downcomings in life. May we all have the strength from the Almighty to sail from it and move towards new brighter side of the life. Amen. Moving forward, this reading is not a time specific reading, my dear viewers. This reading is a sign specific reading, and this reading is dedicated to my Aquarians. Hello all the Aquarians out there. Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are having great time ahead. Don't feel low. Everything is going to turn in your favor. Everyone is sailing in the same boat. Don't worry. Then please do not get confused with Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Please, whichever sign calls you out, whichever signs you are inclined towards, you resonate with, follow that sign. Furthermore, I'll be doing a separate video for this section and will be uploading it soon. So don't forget to press the bell icon as to whenever the video will be uploaded, you will be notified. All the new viewers who have come first time to this channel, a warm welcome to you all. Please do like, subscribe and comment. Any further insights and guidance you require, please write in the comment section below. Please do reach out to me on my Facebook, Instagram and email pages. I'll be happy to reply you. Okay, moving on. My Aquarians, how are you all? Let's see what to do. Okay, Aquarians, a solid transformation period going on. Please go with the flow. Very, very strong period going on. Lot of courage, lot of strength is required of you. You are expected more. Lot of expectations is riding upon you. A lot of people are expecting a lot from you. You are in a situation where you are seeing yourself as the pioneer of all the work, pioneer of all the hard work, all the resources. Everyone around you is looking towards you. Everyone is around you is dependent on you. You are the core of situation. You are the essential centerpiece of a very jigsaw puzzle. If we remove you from the equation, if we remove that piece from the jigsaw puzzle, it is all going to fall down. So this is a very, very demanding period. You need to work a lot. A lot is expected from you. You need to build up your stamina. You need to increase your energy rate. You need to work a lot on yourself, both physically and mentally. You will have to prove yourself that yes, you can take any kind of situation head on. You have to prove yourself that yes, if people are looking towards you, are looking up to you as a center of support, as a center of pillar, then you have to prove yourself, yes, they are right. Right? So Aquarians, this is a high time, high demanding time, high transformation period, and it can really take a toll on your health. So please take very good care of your health. In this grilling time ahead, in this grilling section ahead, do not forget, do not do carelessness as far as your health is concerned. Do take very good care of yourself, because you have to project a lot, and in this process, in this way, you are going to not only place yourself as a very highly successful or reputed person, but you are also going to satisfy a lot of others. Lot of people are expecting from you, so you have to go through this exam, you have to go through this grilling process to satisfy a lot of clients, lot of people around you. This networking phase, why I'm saying is, if lots of people are expecting from you, that means you are connected, you are a very people's person, you like to be in the society, you like to be around lots of people. Social people is good, social circle is good, and there are lots of people who are connected to you, lots of people who are always there by your side. This time they are expecting lot from you, so you have to do your best, and in the process do not forget to lose your dignity. In what sense? Don't take it in any other way. I'll reframe my sentence. Do not forget to lose your, doing something for the others. Don't go overboard. Okay? Always keep your head high. I am going to do this for you, but this is the boundary line, this is the limitation. Do not treat me as your slave. Do not treat me as your employee or as your servant. I am going to do this for you. I am available for you. I am always going to be available for you. I'll always try to help you out, but treat me as your equal. Do you understand what I'm trying to convey to you? Please do not lower your self-esteem. That's the right word. Please do not lower your self-esteem in trying to over-please others. Whatever is in your hand, try your best, but do not cross that boundary line of your attitude, your self-esteem. Do not let it let the other people bring it down, and always stand with your head high. Aquarians, be strong, be supportive, be helpful, but not at the cost of your health, not at the cost of your self-esteem and confidence. Right, Aquarians? Wish you a very, very strong period ahead. Wish you a very, very fulfilling period ahead. And may your confidence and self-esteem be always by your side. Stay strong. Best wishes and God bless.